Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create multiple Gmail accounts without the need of the phone number confirmation. There is a small setting on Google Chrome that everyone should enable for you to be able to do it. Let me go on the Chrome and let me show you. For example, this is our browser over here, okay? Remember, you cannot create a new Gmail account on incognito simply because every time when you create or using incognito, Google might suspect that this is a bot and this is automated service. So every time when you try to create a brand new account, you have to be on your real Gmail account, okay? So now when you're on the Chrome, on any website, all I want you to do is to click on the three dots on the lower right, and then I want you to scroll down to the section Clear Browsing Data. You want to click on Clear Browsing Data, and I want you to delete all the browsing history, including all the cookies from the websites, all the cached images and files. This will retain the safe passwords, okay? What this will actually do, when you do that, essentially Google does not know exactly who is creating another Gmail account. Usually with one open window, new open window from Chrome that you're currently logged in, right? You will have up to 5 Gmail accounts creation without the phone number verification, okay? But then you're going to use one of these new accounts to log in, right? So you use your original Gmail account, you log in, you create 5 new Gmail accounts, and then use one of the new accounts that you created to log in and to create a new account, okay? This is how it works, and every time you have to clear your browsing history, because while the people who are creating this through the actual desktops, the IP has been detected by Google, while using the phone, things work a little different. This is why when you actually delete all of your search history or your cache or your browsing data and all the saved bookmarks and all the data related to your search, they cannot connect the dots. Essentially, they don't know who is creating another batch of new Gmail accounts. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.